Hello friends, have you ever been to a new city? It's so exciting, right? There are so many things to see. Big buildings, famous statues, beautiful parks. You might think the best way to see it all is to hop on a big tour bus. They drive you around, you look out the window, and you take a few pictures. It's fast, I get it, but let me tell you a little secret I've learned on my travels. The real magic, the true heart of a city is found on its sidewalks. When you explore a place on your own 2 feet, everything changes. It's like switching from black and white to glorious, vibrant color. Think about it. When you're in a car or a bus, the city is just a movie playing outside your window. You're a spectator, not a participant. But when you walk, you're suddenly part of the scene. You can hear the chatter from a cafe, smell the incredible aroma of bread baking in a hidden little bakery, and feel the ancient cobblestones under your shoes. These are the things you miss when you're moving too fast. Walking slows you down in the best possible way. It forces you to be present, to look around, and to truly where you are. It's a completely different and much richer experience. You start to notice the little details that make a place unique. Maybe it's the colorful tiles on a doorway, the funny-looking gargoyle on an old church, or the way the locals greet each other with a friendly nod. These tiny discoveries are like finding hidden treasures. They won't be in any guidebook, and you certainly can't see them from a bus. A city isn't just its famous landmarks, it's the collection of a million tiny moments and details that create its personality. Exploring on foot allows you to collect these moments for yourself, creating a personal connection that you'll remember forever. So, why is walking so special? It's because it's personal, it's active, it engages all of your senses. You're not just looking at a city, you're feeling it, smelling it, and hearing its unique rhythm. You become part of the city's energy instead of just passing through it. Forget the glass window of a tour bus. The best way to be introduced to a new place is to shake its hand, and you can only do that by walking its streets. It's the ultimate icebreaker between you and a new city, and believe me, it's the start of a beautiful friendship. The best part of a walking tour isn't just the walking, it's the person leading the way, the local guide. These guides are amazing. They aren't just reading from a script, they are storytellers. They live here. They know the city's secrets, its funny stories, and its hidden history. They can point to an ordinary-looking building and tell you about the incredible love story that happened inside, or show you a small plaque on a wall that marks a world-changing event. Suddenly, the city isn't just a collection of bricks and stone. It's a living, breathing storybook, and your guide is turning the pages for you. This connection to a local expert is what makes the experience so authentic. You can ask questions. Be curious. If you see something interesting, you can just ask, "Hey, what's that over there?" A good guide loves this. They get to share their passion and their home with you. It's a conversation, not a lecture. This is how you learn about the real culture of a place. You learn what people eat for breakfast, where they go for fun on a Friday night, and what makes them proud of their city. These are the details that help you understand the soul of a place. Walking also helps you feel the pulse of daily life. You'll walk past kids playing in a park, business people rushing to a meeting, and elderly friends chatting on a bench. You become a temporary local, woven into the fabric of the neighborhood for a few hours. You might even get a smile or a hello from a stranger. This feeling of connection is something you simply cannot get when you're separated from the world by a pane of glass. It's the difference between watching a cooking show and actually being in the kitchen, smelling the garlic and tasting the sauce. Ultimately, a walking tour transforms you from a tourist into an explorer. Every corner you turn is a potential discovery. The stories from your guide give meaning to what you see, turning a simple walk into an unforgettable adventure. You're not just consuming information, you're creating memories. You'll remember the taste of the pastry the guide recommended, the sound of the musician playing on the street corner, and the feeling of the sun on your face as you stood in a historic square. These are the souvenirs that truly last a lifetime. The wonderful thing about walking tours is that there is one for everyone. No matter what you're interested in, I promise you, there's a tour for that. It's like a giant buffet of experiences, and you get to pick your favorite dish. The most popular, of course, is the history tour. This is your classic introduction to a city. You'll see the famous landmarks, learn about the key events that shaped the city, and get a great overview of its past. It's perfect for first-time visitors who want to get their bearings and understand the city's story from the very beginning. But what if you're like me and your stomach does the exploring? Then you need a food tour. Oh, food tours are the best. A guide takes you to all the hidden spots where the locals eat. You get to try authentic dishes you would never find on your own, from street food stalls to little family-run restaurants. It's a delicious journey that tells the story of a city through its flavors. Or maybe you love art? There are street art tours that show you incredible murals and graffiti, or gallery tours that take you through the best contemporary art scenes. It's a fantastic way to see the creative side of a city. And the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Night tours offer a completely different perspective. Some cities have ghost tours that tell spooky stories and take you down dark, mysterious alleyways. It's a little thrilling and a lot of fun. Other night tours might focus on the city's beautiful lights, taking you to the best spots to see the skyline sparkle. Seeing a city after dark is like meeting a person's alter ego. It reveals a whole new personality. Whether you want history, food, art, or a little bit of mystery, there's a walking adventure waiting for you. So, who are these tours for? Absolutely everyone. If you're a solo traveler, it's a fantastic way to meet new people and explore safely with a group. For families, it's an engaging way to keep kids interested and learning, without them even realizing it. Photographers will love the slow pace, which gives them time to capture the perfect shot. And for culture lovers, it's the deepest dive you can take. A walking tour is a shared experience, a chance to learn, laugh, and discover something new with fellow curious travelers. Okay, are you excited? I hope so. Now that you're ready to hit the pavement, let's talk about how to pick the perfect tour and get ready for your adventure. First things first, think about your interests. What gets you excited? Is it history, food, architecture, or something quirky and unusual? A quick search online for walking tours in your chosen city will show you all the options. Read the descriptions and reviews from other travelers. This will help you find a tour and a guide that match your vibe. Don't just pick the first one you see, find the one that makes you say, wow, I have to do that. Next, consider the practical stuff. Think about the group size. Some tours are large, which can be fun and energetic. Others are small and intimate, which allows for more personal attention and conversation with the guide. I always lean towards the smaller groups, but it's totally up to you. Also, check the length and difficulty of the tour. Most tours are a few hours long and cover a couple of miles at a gentle pace, but it's always good to know what you're signing up for. Your feet will thank you for choosing wisely, my friends. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, comfort. The number one rule of a walking tour is to wear comfortable shoes. I cannot say this enough. You'll be on your feet for a while, so this is not the time to try out new shoes. Wear your most trusted, comfy pair. Also, check the weather forecast before you go. Bring a light jacket if it might get chilly, a hat if it's sunny, or a small umbrella if there's a chance of rain. A happy walker is a prepared walker. Don't let a little weather spoil your good time. Finally, pack a small bag with the essentials. A bottle of water is a must to stay hydrated. A small snack, like a granola bar, can be a lifesaver if you get hungry. Don't forget your phone or camera to capture all the amazing moments, and make sure it's fully charged. And most importantly, bring an open mind and a curious spirit. Be ready to ask questions, try new things, and smile at the people you meet. A walking tour is more than just a walk. It's an invitation to connect with the world in the most wonderful and authentic way. Now go have an adventure.